What type of figure is it? Polygon. What is the name of this polygon? Quadrilateral. A polygon bounded by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. Or a closed geometrical figure bounded by 4 line segments is called quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB, BC, CD, DA are sides of quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C, and D are vertices of the quadrilateral ABCD. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are angles of the quadrilateral ABCD. AB and CD are one pair of opposite sides. AD and BC is the other pair of opposite sides. By joining the two non-consecutive vertices, we will get diagonals. So AC and BD are diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD. According to the nature of sides or angles of a quadrilateral, it gets a special name. Kite and its properties. ABCD is a quadrilateral. In this, AD is equal to AB and CD is equal to CB. Two pair of adjacent sides are equal and the opposite sides CD and AB are not equal. In a kite, the opposite sides are not equal. So AD is not equal to BC and AB is not equal to CD. These are examples for kite. Let us learn the properties of kite. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. By folding the kite along the larger diagonal, the two triangles are overlapping each other. So we can call them congruent triangles. Angle DCE is equal to angle BCE. Angle DAE is equal to angle BAE. So the larger diagonal is bisecting the apex angles. DE is equal to EB. CE is not equal to EA. One of the diagonals bisects the other diagonal. Diagonal AC bisects BD perpendicularly at E. Trapezium and its properties. What type of paired lines are there on the display? Parallel lines. AB is parallel to DC. Draw a pair of intersecting lines on the parallel line. Now consider only the closed part. What type of figure did we get? Quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, a pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is a special quadrilateral named as trapezium. AB is parallel to DC. In a quadrilateral, if a pair of opposite sides are parallel, it is called a trapezium. We know that AD is a transversal. AB is parallel to DC. Angle ADC and angle BAD are pair of co-interior angles. What should be the sum of co-interior angles? 180 degrees. Therefore, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Co-interior angles. Similarly, we know that BC is a transversal. AB is parallel to DC. Angle ABC and angle BCD are pair of co-interior angles. What would be the sum of co-interior angles? 180 degrees. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Co-interior angles. Adjacent angles corresponding to parallel sides are supplementary. Isosceles trapezium and its properties. AB is parallel to DC and AD is equal to BC. If a trapezium has its non-parallel sides equal, then the trapezium is called an isosceles trapezium. Let us learn the properties of an isosceles trapezium. On folding the trapezium, angle A will overlap on angle B. Likewise, angle D will overlap on angle C. Now, angle A and angle B are base angles. If we turn the trapezium 180 degrees, then angle C and angle D will be the base angles. Always the base angles are equal in isosceles trapezium. We know that AD is a transversal. AB is parallel to DC. Angle ADC and angle BAD are pair of co-interior angles. What would be the sum of co-interior angles? 180 degrees. Therefore, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, we know that BC is a transversal. AB is parallel to DC. Angle ABC and angle BCD are pair of co-interior angles. What would be the sum of co-interior angles? 180 degrees. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Adjacent angles corresponding to parallel sides are supplementary. Length of AC and length of BD are equal in isosceles trapezium. Let us summarize what we have learned. Meaning: quadrilateral and its elements. Quadrilateral, kite and its properties. Quadrilateral, trapezium and its properties. Quadrilateral, isosceles trapezium and its properties.